Greetings from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. We would like to briefly present the progress of SREC Idea Lab till today. The space available in Innovation and Incubation Center of the institution is earmarked for the establishment of the Idea Lab. Mechanical section comprising of the heavy equipment will be housed in the ground floor. A separate section for 3D printing is also planned. Besides, conference hall, exhibition space and pantry are planned in the ground floor. Electrical and electronic section, central workshop and brainstorming meeting rooms are planned in the second floor. Idea Lab team of SREC is Dr. P. Karupusamy, Professor and Head, Mechanical Engineering, the Coordinator, Dr. A. Grace Selvarani, Professor and Head, Computer Science and Engineering, Co-Coordinator. Gurus are Mr. M. Balashantosh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, Dr. T. Velmurugan, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, Mr. Selva Ganesh, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, Mr. R.S. Rajkumar, Assistant Professor, CSE Department. Faculty members from every department is identified and inducted into the Idea Lab team for effective coordination. Myself, Dr. Karupusamy, Professor and Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Coordinator of the Idea Lab.
Myself, Dr. Grace Selvarani, Professor and Head of Computer Science Department of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, and I am the co-coordinator of this Idea Lab.
A procurement committee is formed with the chief mentor as chairperson. Industrial expert is also inducted as a member in this committee. A call for quotes from the prospective vendors has been published in the college website. Suitable vendors are identified based on quality, cost and required specifications. Orders have been placed for high cost items. Low cost items will be purchased on cash. Meetings have been conducted for the department coordinators to disseminate the objectives of the Idea Lab. Separate awareness sessions have been conducted for the students. 2-day program for the department coordinators has been conducted on sensors and automation.
Greetings from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. I am Mrs. Swati, Assistant Professor of Computer Science Engineering and Convener of SREC Innovation Center. I am happy to share that our institute has been provided with the Idea Lab. So SREC COIN jointly works with Idea Lab to promote the innovation culture among the students and faculty of our institute, and also extend the support to the neighboring school children and the other college students to promote the innovation culture.
I am Ranjit Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology and also coordinating the Collaborative Innovation Center. As a part of AICT Idea Lab initiative, this would be a great initiative towards the innovation and development of products.
This is Jivanandam from Instrumentation Department. Mainly, I wish to convey 3 important points where this Idea Lab plays major role in students and faculty journey. One is ideation to prototyping stage, where I or my students team can convert this idea into a valuable prototype. And second one is implementation and testing of my idea as a prototype. And third one is commercialization of my idea. So this particular Idea Lab, which is supporting me in all the ways from scratch of creating an idea to implementing a product into a market.
Greetings, I am Selva Ganesh, Assistant Professor from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Idea Lab coordinators have developed new products. First one, AI-based facial attendance system. This system extracts face embedding and matches with individuals for attendance registration and temperature sensing using IR sensor. Second one, AI-based visual inspection system. This system uses Gantry vision system embedded with AI software to automatically detect the surface defects for industrial applications. It is planned to commence the Idea Lab activities effectively from May 2022. We thank AICTE for sanctioning the Idea Lab and mentoring. Thank you all.